Me and Becky are up today. We got these great gadgets. So we're going to experiment with these and we're going to show you what they do. So if you've never seen one before, our friend gave us these as a Christmas present.
Thanks, Rob.
Cheers, Rob. So what we got to do is whittle these sticks down and we'll show you what they do. Ready?
Are we?
Knives to the ready.
Knives to the ready.
We've got to whittle that down to get it in that gap, Becky.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Need your bushcraft knife for this. You can try this at home. It's a bit of fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
So these are Light My Fire Grandpa's forks. This will be our first attempt with these. Whittle away, Bex, whittle away. The cap comes off. I think you'll get in the picture now. Slides in there like that. Oh, I'm almost done, Becky. I think I am done.
You done now?
And that's it there. So that's pretty good. So you don't have to spike the stick off too much. Just fits in there. When you press it, it slides over. Like so. They're pretty dandy. How are you going, Bex?
I'm gonna have a. No, I still got to go.
So I might just take that little end piece off there so it's not as sticking out so much. So we got them on the sticks. How's yours, Becky?
Really good.
So now, what are we going to do next? Anyone know? So here we go, guys. This is it. Sausage on a stick. How's yours fit?
Yeah, good. That's pretty good, isn't it?
Push them right through.
How's yours?
Pretty good. We're going to place these over the fire.
There you go.
Fry up some
Quality cooking.
onion. And we're going to have a nice hot dog. What a bit of kit that is. That's a nice gadget.
Yeah, I rate that.
Gas mark 6. Very nice.
Can't wait for them.
So while they're cooking, I'll chop up some onion. Fry that off. Impressed with them, Becky?
Yeah, I am actually.
So Becky's slicing and dicing. How's yours going, Becky?
It's
sausage?
going good.
A
I'm
good
looking
bit of
forward
kit,
to
isn't
it. Yeah, I like the idea of that.
Simple but effective. We've got a nice drop of onion and some rolls. So hot dogs, here we come.
Happy days.
I've got tomato ketchup and mustard as well.
Oh, love that.
Oh yeah, this smells gorgeous, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Huh?
It does.
What's that like then, Becky?
Mmm.
All the flavours flooding out?
Yeah, quality.
You don't have mustard then? No?
Nah, not a fan. Don't like mustard.
You going for another one after that?
I might do actually. Yours looks nice.
So that's cooked them really well, guys. That's a mighty sausage in there. So I'll prepare this one and I'll get another one on, I think. Becky's enjoying hers.
Yeah.
So a nice bit of onion there.
Actually better than Frankfurters.
Nice bit of tomato ketchup. And Becky don't like the mustard, but I do. Nice bit of mustard on there. Oh, look at that, guys. One hot dog to go. So here we go, guys. No, that's good. That's what you call a hot dog.
How is it?
That's nice.
Out of 10?
They're meaty sausages.
Really, you choked.
Is that? What happened there then? Too big a mouthful?
What do you rate out of 10 then?
Really nice. Yeah, any 10 out of 10, any campfire cooking.
Yeah, it always tastes better on a fire. I was just saying it's the first time I've had a hot dog on the fire.
Buster's a hot dog, isn't he, in the sun? Oh, I might whack another one on. So we're going to finish these. Enjoy yours then, Bex. Just throw us that grandfather's fork. Cheers, Bex. So if you're interested, guys, Grandpa's fire fork cooked us a nice sausage, made a hot dog out of it. So if you're interested, get yourself one. They're awesome, aren't they? I like that. Simple.
Good design.
simple stick, and you're ready to go. I'll tell you what, that's a mean sausage. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks to you, Bex.
Cheers. I'm
Doing
going
all
to
the
get
onion
another
prep.
one on.
She's going to chuck another one on.
Yep. They're
She
really
loves them.
good.
She loves them.
Just a little bit too much. I recommend getting one of these. I don't know where you get, probably Amazon or something, don't you?
Yeah, Light My Fire is the mate. They do some nice ferro rods too, don't they?
Oh
Light My
yeah,
Fire.
yeah. Oh,
So number 2's going on.
number 2.
Simple, but effective. Look at
Definitely.
that. We got enough onion, haven't we?
Yeah, well, I hope so.
So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks to Becky. Enjoy the great outdoors, guys. Get yourself cooking a hot dog.
Woo! Better than them sweaty ones you get at the vans, isn't it?